It was this fat freaking duck right in the middle of the path.
Look, it's like the third time you called animal control. And we can't be putting down all these animals. It's a bloodbath up there.
It's a bike path for humans, all right? This thing's trotting along here like it owns the place.
Do you want me to do this?
You're gonna kill it?
Of course I'm going to kill it.
Well,
I'm not animal soother. I'm not a duck whisperer. If you have a problem with a duck, then I only have one solution.
Murder. That's literally in the protocol.
You don't have my training. You don't come from where I come from.
I know what you're right. I don't own any pets. I'm allergic. I can't. I've never really been around.
I love animals.
Okay? Apparently, you
Okay.
got this duck.
I do this because I care.
I mean, maybe he just was getting some bread.
Yeah, he probably was. He probably had a whole day planned. Cross the bike path, get some bread, fill up. But no, someone didn't want him around.
He just needs to get to work. On time.
What do you do, sir?
I'm an accountant.
Oh, that make you feel happy?
No. Not anymore. Sounds like human.
Do you know ducks and humans have the same organ for feeling pain and joy? That's the first thing they teach us in animal control.
Don't kill again! Don't kill again! Put it back down. Did you no.
Look. I was like you once. Just a crazy kid, didn't know what I wanted, thought the world revolved around me.
Your hands have blood on them.
That's raccoon blood.
How many animals have you killed?
I killed 15 animals today! Each of them I had to look in the eyes and treasure their inner workings. I had to think of them as a human being and then kill them. Because that's how animal control people stop from becoming calloused and broken.
Disconnect yourself from them, eh?
No, I take their souls into me. And that's how you live, son. You don't go to your accountancy job and scribble some numbers and forget about it at the end of your day. You have to care about what you do.
I gotta kill something at work. Could it be an animal? Or even just a file?
It better be something better than a file.
I think I should start little.
Look, I think we can both agree that this duck's done no harm.
It's not even moving.
Maybe it's died of natural causes.
A slow death.
But that means this gun's not going to be used today.
Are you allowed to do this?
Good for you, son.
Smallest water slide at the mall.
That was huge. I love West Edmonton Mall.
Thanks for taking me here.
No problem. Sure, not something your mother would do.
She doesn't let me go on rides.
Well, she's not around this weekend, is she?
Not
No moms in Edmonton.
It's a boy-dad trip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at all these other boys.
That's gonna be like 25 boys then.
Oh, that's a lot of boys. They're all restricted by rules, I bet.
Yeah, their moms probably tell them, don't smoke cigarettes.
And throw them in the pool. I shouldn't be smoking, man.
Why not?
I'm 15.
So?
Alright.
Look, I know your mom's filled your head up with ideas like you're going to be a track star and you shouldn't smoke, it's bad for your teeth.
She said the wave pool's going to mess up my body's rhythm and I won't be able to run as good.
Well, what I want to tell you though, son, is that you're probably not going to be a track star. You're probably eventually going to take over my plumbing goods store. And you might as well just start living that way.
Do I have to?
No, you don't have to, but everything else will eventually be worse than that. That's the human condition.
Is it basically like fully predetermined that that's my next couple steps in life? Plumbing, smoking, Going on vacations without my soon wife, future wife?
Yeah.
I got a girlfriend, Dad.
Cool.
Yeah.
What's she like? Bossy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like him that way.
Unlimited cigarette.
It's huge. I buy them extra big for you.
You know me.
Because I don't need a college tuition fund for you anymore. I took your college fund, I bought extra long cigarettes.
I'm gonna dry off. I feel like going to a gym or something.
Son, don't bother.
I don't know.
You get your bossy girlfriend, and she'll take such pleasure in ordering you about that she won't care about your gradual, complete physical, just annihilation.
I've got a receding hairline at 15.
Look at those huge cigarettes.
Smoking them. Can't stop. Thanks, Dad.
Well, I wanted to play fair with you, son. I didn't want you getting any crazy ideas from your mom.
I don't know. She's always filling my head with dreams and ambitions. So much better to hear it from you.
That's what West Edmonton Mall is for, son. Crushing your dreams and ambitions.